Hi friends, let us make a chocolate cake in just 5 minutes. If you don't have time, this is the best cake which you can make. It is so soft and fluffy. So to make this cake, we'll take 6 tablespoons of sugar in a mixer grinder and powder it. Into the powdered sugar, we'll add 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, two tablespoons of cocoa powder, one-fourth teaspoon of baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt, and we'll blend that also and keep it aside. Now into a bowl we'll take 4 tablespoons of ghee, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now into this we'll add the dry ingredients and mix it well. Now we can bake this in cups or containers. Here I have used a 5-inch glass container to bake this cake. Just brushed it with some butter, and we'll bake this at in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. And the cake is ready. Thank you for watching.